Welcome to the Alberta Channel, the news released on January 13, 2024. On the occasion of the new year 2024, we would like to send you New Year greetings. In 2024, the Alberta Channel newsletter will continue to strive to be a reliable, honest and creative partner to accompany you in the next 23 newsletters. The first newsletter of the year will have the following noteworthy highlights. The tanker market is expected to benefit from improving global economy conditions and increased Asian oil demand growth as we head into 2024. In its latest weekly report, Shipbroker Exclusive said that despite the negative outlook for economic growth seems that will come to an end within 2024 as the decisions of the central banks have spread optimism to the market. Global retailers selling apparel, household staples and white goods face bigger risks from disruptions in freight movement through the key Suez Canal trade route as Iran-backed Yemeni militants attack ships sailing through the lower Red Sea. South Korean poultry processor and Pan-Ocean owner Harem Group, and its consortium member, private equity firm JKL Partners, were chosen as the preferred bidder to acquire the country's flagship carrier on 18 December.
Drought in Panama and war around the Red Sea and Suez is a slow-burning, but developing crisis for the container shipping industry as both canals become choke points that could see freight rates double. MSC Mediterranean Shipping Company solidified its position as the world's largest shipping line in 2023 with the addition of more than 1 million TEUs, 20-foot equivalent containers, according to new numbers released by Alphaliner. French shipping line CMA CGM is working plans to gradually increase the number of sailings through the Red Sea, however the timing and scope of its plans remains highly uncertain as attacks on shipping continue in the region.
Two battery-powered container ships, which are being billed as the largest electric vessels yet constructed, were officially named and placed into service in China today. Developed for COSCO Shipping, the two vessels are part of an effort to build an electrified network for shipping along China's Yangtze River. The number of ships that have diverted from the Suez Canal to the Cape of Good Hope has reached a record high of 125 ships as of 24 December, exceeding the number seen when the Ever Given was grounded in the canal in March 2021.
The oil market in 2024 is expected to be balanced, with slowing demand and a potential price war led by Saudi Arabia. Investment in gas is likely to fall after a surge in LNG supply contracts, while nuclear power attracts attention as a key part of the energy transition. Solar growth is expected to slow due to market saturation, high raw material costs and margin challenges. International oil prices are likely to stay near $80 a barrel in 2024, a Reuters poll showed on Friday, as analysts predicted weak global growth would cap demand, while geopolitical tensions could provide support.
Despite unusual geopolitical events, crude oil prices ended 2023 below where they started the year. What's important for 2024 oil prices is that this U.S. oil price range is very close to what the major power wants. The economic damage to the Chinese economy will increase if Brent prices rise back to $100 a barrel. In parallel with the business development strategy in 2024, ZECO started construction of an international standard warehouse in Miao, Hongyan in January 2024, expected to be completed in June. In operation from the beginning of Q3 2024. With a total warehouse area of 20,000 m2 built on an area of 45,000 m2, ZECO Hongyan Warehouse is divided into general warehouse systems, bonded warehouses, and e-commerce warehouses. International ISO standards. Coal futures prices held steady at around $131/ton in January as investors assessed supply and demand factors. Rebar futures prices continued to fall to CNY 3,850/ton in early January, the lowest level in 2 months and decoupled from the strong recovery in iron ore and hot-rolled steel coil prices. After a 1.9% increase in the trading session of the first week of January 2024 as investors continued to monitor escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and the temporary suspension of oil production in Libya. Container shipping prices on some routes in the period of January 2024 will have large fluctuations due to sudden increases in attacks around the Red Sea, the highest at 115% on the Shanghai, Rotterdam route. Container ship rental prices as of January 10 have an upward trend in all ship sizes. Oil tanker rental prices as of January 10 have no price fluctuations compared to the end of December. Similarly, the price for chartering bulk vessels at January 10 also tended to increase for 2-year-old ships and decrease slightly for 1-year-old ships compared to the end of the month. That is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. On the occasion of the new year, we wish you and yours a new year full of joy, happiness and success.